heading out on a nice, wonderful, cold day. Sunny, very little clouds. Let's get going again. How do I look when the sun is beaming in my eyes? Just about or after the golden hour. I gotta ride along, get on go, out of my bike lane. Nobody likes to look, they just like to block. I'm in gear number 3 and I feel like I got to get to gear number 4. It's like I'm pedaling too easy. Did you see that being dragged along? Anything goes in Cement City. Ah, the geese. So I'm out here. I gotta do a do-over, revision of scenery shots of me not being in a dark background. So that means I don't have to do a 360. I just gotta do one scene shot. But I am going to be doing the 360 over, as well as the actual shot. I see what else I could come up with and get this thing going. I do need to check out my Cannondale Adventure 2 front disc brakes if it needs to be adjusted to squeezing it, or if the pads that may need replacement. Glad I got out of here. Again, the helmet's caught on the clip in the back. Oh, do I gotta straighten you out each and every time I put you on here? There we go. That looks good. Let's make sure you got the angle. Oh man, I just love it. I love how things just fall apart on you when it's the most important time. It looks like rain again. Nasty. I know I got Horizon Lock 45 degree on. Don't gotta worry. Off I go. I'm stuck. I got the DJI Mic 2 not hooked up, but to this, which is not on. I guess I'm using, you got it, the Ace Pro 2 on the bike. Get a couple of different scenario shots, how I use my camera, and all that good stuff. This caught my eye in the distance. Rabies. So they're probably, trying to capture some things. Get on out of here and ride on out. Now what else caught my eye besides that is a tent not far off the trails. I don't want to hit those bumps in the road. I do want to straighten you up and tighten you up a little. We'll ride forward. If you look to the right some, you're not going to see the tent unless I point it out to you as I get nearer. It's in the distance by this, you got a park bench. So let me start to pull over. And just look straight ahead. See the first tree? the second tree, and in there, he's camouflaged in there with wood against it. And that could be the homeless shelter that comes out, that sits on this park bench and goes back. As you notice the darkness, he has his walking path and covered up back there, all by wood. Nobody knows. And when the library's open, that's the place he hangs out at. Hey, I started this video, a nice sunny day, right? Hardly any clouds in the sky. And what do you got now? Old man winter kicking back in. Well, I'm Fish. Daytime vlog is over. Time for me to go sit down and make some sense in my editing skills. With Wondershare Filmora 14. I'm not a loving fan. I want to get into Resolve. I'll go back to Magic's movie studio. I just want something easy like I did with Magic's. I should head on back. Head on back. Later.